This channel was never really about how to make things. It was about watching me make things, and maybe finding something in that process that inspires you. I've spent most of my life working with my hands. I pay attention to small details.
This is cool.
The grain in a board, the way light falls across an old object, the rhythm of the trail under my feet. When my work became digital, I missed the handwork. I needed something physical again. Making things gave me that. And when I needed it even more, I found myself walking. Lately, I've been thinking less about techniques and more about attention and what makes me want to work at all. This is where that starts for me. This is what inspires me.